Every time you hit refresh on your favorite app, a massive invisible dance happens across continents. How does a company like Netflix deliver a movie to millions worldwide without the whole thing crashing or feeling slow, even if a data center goes dark? AWS handles requests by routing them through a global network of specialized data centers, distributing the load, and ensuring your data is always available and fast. It's all about redundancy and proximity. 1. DNS resolution. Your browser first asks a domain name system, DNS, server, like Amazon's Route 53, for the IP address of the website. Route 53 is a globally distributed service that often uses latency-based routing to return the IP address of the closest healthy server to you. 2. Regional entry. Your request hits an AWS region, a large, isolated geographic area like US East and Virginia. Each region is a collection of physically separate data centers, designed to be independent of each other. 3. Availability zone selection. Within a region, there are multiple availability zones, AZs, typically 3 or more, like US East 1A and US East 1B. Each AZ is one or more discrete data centers with redundant power, networking, and connectivity, separated by miles to minimize cascading failures. 4. Load balancing. Your request first encounters an elastic load balancer, ELB, like an application load balancer, ELB. The ALB distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, in multiple availability zones, constantly checking their health. 5. Compute instance. The ELB forwards your request to a running Amazon EC2 instance, a virtual server, or a container in a service like AWS Fargate. This instance processes your request, running the application code. 6. Database interaction. If your application needs data, the EC2 instance connects to a database service, perhaps Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service, or Amazon DynamoDB, a NoSQL database. These databases are often replicated across multiple AZs for high availability. 7. Data retrieval/processing. The database fetches or stores your information. For static content like images or videos, the application might retrieve it from Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, which offers object storage with 99.999999999% durability. 8. Response back. The EC2 instance sends the processed response back through the ELB, which then sends it back to your browser. This entire journey, from your click to the loaded page, often takes mere milliseconds. When you stream a video from Disney+, your request hits Route 53, which directs you to the closest AWS region. An ALB in that region sends your request to an EC2 instance, which talks to an S3 bucket to pull the video file, and then streams it directly to your device. Many think AWS is one giant data center. In reality, it's a network of 33 regions globally, each with multiple isolated availability zones, making it incredibly resilient. AWS uses a layered approach of global DNS, regional isolation, availability zone redundancy, and intelligent load balancing to deliver applications with high availability and low latency. I break down how real-world tech actually works every single day. Subscribe to Tech with Joel and tell me, what cloud service blows your mind the most? Subscribe to Tech with Joel.